hubang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin hubang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Well, I always believe that many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle in public display, we transgender bend history, and that will be forever our story. By the way, my real name is Isumi Quinones, 16, yes, 16-year-old contender who truly all the way where the Bebop Beat Senior is celebrated and Lakbayaw Festival is originated from the home of the generous people of Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, Board of Educators, ma'am, sir, and to all audience tonight, allow me to tantalize myself into a little bit of sexy, a little bit of hot, glamorous, elite, beauty queen. I am one of your FHM model, Miss Iwa Mata, the city.
Ako gaganahang magpakilala kung walang masigabong hiyawan at palakpakan dyan. Maraming salamat po. The true beauty shines through a positive attitude. It is the inner grace that makes the outer glow remarkable. A young lady standing in front of your naked eye is a fresh, yes, fresh na fresh, indeed 16-year-old stunner, hailing all the way from the silver lining capital of the Philippines, Tondo, Manila. My name is Heaven Humawan, but tonight, this is a pageant. Allow me to carry the image of the one who captures the heart of Mr. Gerald Anderson. Your one and only, Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Julia Barreto na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Parang ikaw, kuya, masarap nga, ngunit hindi naman minahal. Mga kaibigan, hurado at manonood, ang pagsuot ng pambansang kasuotan ay wala sa laki, wala sa ganda. May kita ito kung paano mo ito dinadala. My national costume was inspired by a Singkil princess from the island of Maranao. Once again, my name is Heaven Humawan. Naniniwalang kung tunay na matapang at maganda ka, hindi ka takot mauna. Maraming salamat po.
Una, kaya. Una.
many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of a spectacular public display, we gaze bend history, and that's our story. Tonight, we celebrate human diversity and exert our sexuality. My name is Mika Ortega, all the way from the business capital of the Philippines, Makati City. And but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Jason Abalos. Your binibining Pilipinas first runner-up 2018, Miss Vicky Rushton. Vicky Rushton, na nag-iiwan ng pick-up line, Kuya, pader ka ba? Paihe, thank you.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibags First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am your top 31 most beautiful faces in the world, Miss Liza Soberano. And I always believe, si bis amare amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 3. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. And the national costume that I am wearing for tonight is representing the Philippines. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Thank you.
Wala bang sigawan dyan? Wala bang pagkain dyan? Ladies and gentlemen, people of Arlecki, standing in front of you is a 26-year-old stunner hailing all the way from the travel capital of Manila, Pasay City. I have been joining beauty pageants as a bisexual contesera, and tonight is my comeback as a transgender contesera. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? My name is Barbie Roberts, but tonight, please allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, your only one, Miss Universe 2015. Bakit di natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at isigaw, Miss Pia Alonso. Words back. Pia Alonso, words back, na nagsasabing, kung gusto mo ng boyfriend na hot, maghanap ka ng lalaking may lagnat. My costume is inspired by the Paro-Paro Festival from Dasmariñas City, commemorating the success from a small town to one of the most progressive cities in Calabarzon Region 4A. Thank you.
People of Quiapo, Manila, hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hooray! San ka punta? Road trip! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas. Ken naragsak garabi kadatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one. To our distinguished panel of the Board of Judges. Ma'am, sir, and to all of the people of Quiapo, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am truly hailing all the way from the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. Rakay. Napatuloy pong naniniwala sa mga kasabihang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa, na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan at ang kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 8. And for this evening, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume respecting the religious beliefs and the religious culture of the Philippines, the Sinulog Festival of Cebu City. Thank you so much. Good evening to every one of us. Each and every candidate wants to be a remarkable, and for I may not be the most beautiful, no largest or biggest national costume for tonight, but I strongly believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly a remarkable. I am proud to say that my national costume they're wearing for tonight is truly all the way from Panagbenga Festival of Baguio City. Marahil hindi niyo po ako napanood sa Super Serena ng Bulaga. Lalong-lalong hindi niyo rin po ako napanood sa Miss Q&A ng Showtime. But I'm proud to say that I am your queen of Quezon City. First runner-up. My real name is Mateo Calamba Olasimen in real life. A fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old listener who truly all the way from the city of Star, Quezon City. Ngunit ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo pong hinamin ko ang pagkatao ng nag-iisa ninyong basya at ang babaeng walang kapares at kapantay. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palagpakan at hiyawan? Sapagkat ngayong gabi, ako po, si Binibini, Barbie Fortesa. Barbie Fortesa po na nagsasabing, bata man po ko sa inyong paningin, huwag niyong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, may fresh na bagets na taratak. Thank you and Happy New Year!
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala pong maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person as time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yunil Taraina Sibuche, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way last from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, and the former president of the National University Student Government, the highest governing body of students in the said university. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since it is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantaseryeng Encantadia bilang si Sanglerira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan ang nag-iisang Miss Mikey Quintos. Oo nga! Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
gentlemen, people of Quiapo, Manila, hi! Hello! Inuulit ko po, hi! Hello! Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished panel, Board of Judges, hindi po ako papaka-girl in tonight's video because I always believe that beauty pageant like this is not only being the battle of one big boobs, nor the battle of one big hips. This is the battle of your personality, how you carry yourself, and most especially, you have your mind, because your mind is much prettier than what we call beautiful face or beautiful body. Hindi po ako dumayo sa lugar ninyo upang magpakita lamang ng aking angking kagandahan. Bagkus ang tunay na reyna kailanman ay magsisilbing inspirasyon sa bawat isa. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Quiapo, Manila, hip hip! Ang hina naman, hip hip! Joke lamang po, Diyos! Marahay na bangki! Sa Indunga Boss, or should I say, what a glamorous and spectacular evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am the most controversial beauty queen of Antipolo, province of Rizal. I am Maria Sofia Alcantara, and I am proud to say that I am 33 years old. I'm an AB Mass Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. Thank you. Graduated elementary and high school as a valedictorian. And I am proud to say that I graduated college with flying colors because I graduated as a legitimate magna cum laude. Ako po ang babaeng nag-trending sa kalsada, hila-hila ang pulang maleta. Ang tunay na nagmamayari ng pabrika ng Camila, Binibining Daniela Dimples Romana. Thank you. Na kailanman hindi po mag-iiwan ng bastos o nakakatuwang kasabihan. Isa lamang pong paalala, ngayong kapistahan ng ating pong Nazareno, atin pong isipin ang pagbabayubay at paghihirap niya para sa ating sangkatauhan. Isa lamang pong ating maisusukli, ang pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan, ang tunay na regalo sa kanyang kapistahan. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan kailanman, hindi mo maipapakita sa ganda, sa laki, sa kinang. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan ay ang tunay na may ipinaglalaban. Isang pagsaludo sa ating mga hari ng kalsada. Sabi nga nila, beep, 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 sakay na sa aking jeep.
People of Arlegui, Quiapo, Manila, ang hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Mga hurado, ang hindi humiyaw, madadamay kapitbahay. Biro lamang po. People of Quiapo, Manila, I always believe in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially the freedom of expression. That is why, judges, I am here standing in front of you, expressing the way I want to be. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, this is KCE Serena, a sweet 22 years old all the way from the fishing trade capital of the Philippines, where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated. I am not your Super Serena Grand Winner, nor your Miss Q&A.
but I am here standing in front of you, proudly sharing to everyone that I am a former teacher at La Naval Academy in Navotas City, and I am also a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary na po ang cum laude, magna cum laude, at summa cum laude, dahil wala po tayo sa Recognition Day. And since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of one of the most beautiful showbiz actress. Sino nga ba nagsabing patay na si Mokang? Sapagkat siya ay muling nabuhay upang magbigay pugay, magbigay kasiyahan sa mga ngiti na labi ng Quiapo, Manila. Thank you very much. And since this is a pageant, since this is a battle of the festival and national costume, I am wearing the modern Filipiniana inspired by the Bulaklakan all the way from the province of Bulacan, because I always believe, judges, that you are wearing. At para po sa mga kandidata, tama na po ang padamihan ng corona. Bagkus ang tunay na reyna, wala sa entablado, bagkus nasa baraha. At bago ko po lisanin ng 4 na sulok, 6 na sulok at 8 sulok ng entabladong ito, naniniwala po ako at nagbibigay po ako ng isang paalala, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataang bakla na narito ngayong gabi, na bago po kayo lumaklak, uminom ng kung ano-anong pampakinis, pampaputi at pampalaki ng hinaharap, please lamang po, magsiaral po muna kayo dahil ika nga po ni Kuya Kim, lamang ang may alam. Judges, I am your candidate number 13. Lucky number 13 is the luckiest number of them all. Thank you very much and good evening.
Layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang magsisigawan at maghihiyawan dyan? Giving you trans excellency from a true broaded Tamaraw. The girl standing in front of you is a 22-years-old stunner who is currently studying Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media in Far Eastern University. My name is Nicole Ayala Gakongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, let me stand by the name of your one and only Sangre Pirena, ang nag-iisang Glyza De Castro. And before I leave this very beautiful stage, maaari po ba akong mag-iwan ng isang katagang? Mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Mahirap din magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Pero mas mahirap kung pinanganak kang tomboy pero princess ang pangalan mo. Maraming salamat po and the final board of judges. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.